Every week in my practice, I sit across from patients who are fighting cancer, and almost all of them tell me the same thing. When they ask their doctors what they should eat during treatment, the answers usually range from food doesn't matter or just eat healthy. And when they see a nutritionist, the focus is on managing weight or side effects, not on foods with real evidence of fighting the disease. So patients will go online and try to figure it out on their own and end up overwhelmed and exhausted. That's why I help develop NutriLiv. It takes everything about your diagnosis, your treatment, your side effects, and your preferences, and builds a personalized meal plan that maximizes ingredients with real evidence of anti-cancer benefit. Through my practice, I can only help so many people. This puts NutriLiv as evidence-based anti-cancer nutrition in the hands of everyone who needs it.
Here's how it works. NutriLiv starts by learning everything about you, your specific cancer diagnosis and subtype, your treatment down to the exact medications, the side effects you're dealing with, your dietary preferences, allergies, and how many people you're cooking for. All of this powers a meal plan that's built specifically for you. One that excludes ingredients that could interfere with your treatment and maximizes the ones with real evidence of anti-cancer benefit. This is what your personalized meal plan looks like. You tell NutriLiv which meals you want: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, teas, anti-cancer wellness shots, nutritional supplements, and it builds your plan around exactly that. Let's tap into a meal and see what NutriLiv can put together for you. Each meal includes a main dish and 2 sides. You'll see how many servings are prepared for you and your household. Every meal shows a full caloric and macronutrient breakdown, a complete ingredient list, and step-by-step cooking instructions. But here's what makes NutriLiv different from anything else out there. Every recipe includes an anti-cancer summary that shows you exactly which ingredients have documented anti-cancer properties. You can tap any ingredient to see the science behind it, what the evidence says, and links to the actual research. This isn't guesswork. It's evidence-based nutrition you can verify yourself. Meals you've prepared are simple to log. NutriLiv tracks your points and shows you exactly what anti-cancer properties you've consumed each day. You can see the impact of every meal you make. And when you're ready to shop, NutriLiv generates a complete grocery list for your entire week, so everything you need is in one place. Start making every meal count. Download NutriLiv and try it free today.